Hi, welcome to our Slimbox demo room. My name is Stone and I'll guide you today. I'll show you today our Slimbox-shredder. Yes, for once we're not going to talk about our smart packaging solution Slimbox, in which you can create the right size boxes in the quantities you want. No, in our packs we also offer this great Slimbox-shredder. And we use this as an addition to our circular solution we already have. So we make smaller boxes, we use less base material, and we have a smaller impact on the environment in the entire transporting system. But we're also going to reuse the waste material you have of cutting boxes out of endless cardboard. We're going to transform this in padding material because yes, we make smaller boxes, but sometimes for let's say ceramics or glasses or vases or whatever, this is a fragile material. You need some padding. Our customers are very sensible about single-use plastics, so it is better to earn your money with your own waste material and to keep your customers happy. So let's look at this shredder from a bit closer. The height is 83 centimeters, so an ideal to work with in your company, your warehouse, and the operation is quite easy. So to start with, we've got a general on-off switch. That's something, and then you can switch it on right here. Blocks are turning. There's always this emergency button if somebody's got stuck with clothing or whatever in the machine. You can switch the off button. Don't put your hands out here. That is quite logical. So you see here the knives that are working. It's 32 centimeters, so that means you create beautiful padding material of this width. You can feed it up to 1.2 centimeters of cardboard. So here, I hope you can see this. This is a BC flute, 7 millimeters. You just can feed this into our machine, and it will transform this waste material into something you can use. So 32 millimeters of width. That means you're still here with a leftover, and you'll have to put it in. So that doesn't mean you don't can use different layers in one time. So this is, for instance, E-flute. I'm not going to put it 3 times in the machine. I just give it apply, and then I just can feed it. Simple, basic as that. Technically, so you can use endless cardboard. You don't have to stop. You don't have to cut your boxes in different pieces. You just can use it. The width is 32 centimeters. The inlet 1.2 millimeters. So that means you can have, let's say, for EB flute, three layers. You can feed into it automatically. Let's say better is to have 2. So if you have a box and flatnet, you can insert it in the machine. The noise it's making, I hope you hear it, is 68 decibels when operating, so that's not enormously, but why we like it is this has an energy efficiency label and of an IE3. Sorry, I was having difficulties with the letters. It uses up to 30% less power than its competitors on the market, and that's something that is very important to us. There are 2 types of padding material this machine can produce. What I showed in the movie was this thick filling material, which you can use to absorb some shocks, and the other way is to use it for flat mats. We have here a little device. If we just have the tension of it, I'll show you how to make these flat mats. So this, I'm going to use some thicker cardboard. Flat mats you can use to wrap around fragile products. You can use it to okay, wait. So this is the difference, to put into a box and to have a first wall. So here you have the padding material. You see it's like an entire volume, and these are these flat maps. You can wrap around a vase, for instance, and then use it to fill up the spare pieces. So as a conclusion, we could say you can use your waste materials as a way of earning money, as you don't have to buy costly filler materials. It's useful and circular, and you don't have to use those single-use plastics. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.